Hello Tech Heroes! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special video for you all. We will be talking about a solution to the problem of verifying the phone number in Google Play Console account verification. This solution has worked wonders for me and other people I have shared it with. But it is important to remember that each person's experience is unique. Therefore, please use this information at your own discretion. Now, I am a professional, but I cannot guarantee that this solution will work for you. I am just sharing my personal experience and the experience of other people who have tried it as well. Before you try it, make sure to analyze it carefully. I am not responsible for any consequences that may arise from using this solution. Please remember that each person's situation is different and what works for me may not work for you. Therefore, please proceed with caution and use this information responsibly. Details of the solution are in the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool content like this. Take care Tech Hero and enjoy experimenting.